So adjusting our 4500 linkage, you would put a 10,000 washer or shim on the inside of this, 10,000 on the outside, and put our stainless steel carbon through. This is the solid side with the female threads. You would put your bar behind the two throttle shaft ends, put a 50,000 shim on this end, on the inside, and a 40,000 on the outside. Put your stainless steel copper pin through. Then you're going to adjust this 440 set screw here. Break the nut loose. Screw it all the way in. Back it up 2 full turns. Lock it down. And then every time you adjust this speed screw here, let's say you go in half a turn, back this set screw out half a turn, just to prevent it from jamming up against the secondary and causing it not to close all the way. And that's pretty much it. If you have an issue with it sticking or responding slowly, adjust this set screw.